Agentic AI might replace your doctor, advocate, or even a learned judge before it replaces your software engineers. That should scare a lot of smart people. Here's why. Doctors follow fixed protocols, processes, and procedures. Engineers customize or create new ones. Armchair diagnosis is a checklist driven, supported by evidences like reports, range of values, whereas coding is a unique problem solving in chaos. The truth is uncomfortable or jittery at times. AI thrives where there are rules, clear inputs, predictable outcomes, derives knowledge from precedents, previous cases, and judgments, repeatable steps. Medicine has all those ingredients plus intuition and empathy but needs to be backed by evidence. So do legal contracts. So does accounting. But what about creating an original point of view in ambiguity? That slows AI down. This means the careers that we once assumed were safe or permanent, the ones that needed a decade of schooling, might not be, as they would be heavily AI assisted. The so called expert judgment or the second opinion is now at the beck and call to catalyze the process of diagnosis and to validate the judgment of the physician or SME before prescribing. Meanwhile, the ones that looked like chaos from the outside, engineering, design, sales, might be safer than we thought, where human in loop is needed for a unique outcome. Every project, by definition and nature, hence is original, but every process is repeatable. That is operations mode. That's the surprise element and inversion happening right now. And most people are still looking in the wrong direction. That said, engineering creativity is a nice to have thing, but medicine, legal, accounting, and judiciary are essential pillars of society. AI can be the genie that can assist to improve and personalize outcomes on case by case basis, catalyze backlogs, but not to replace them.